This tutorial review will show you how to add Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. So open your Outlook and click on Settings and click on View All Outlook Settings. Here select the Calendar tab and select Shared Calendars. And here you will find this Publish a Calendar option. So click on Select a Calendar and select Calendar. And click on Select Permissions drop down, and I'm going to selecting here Can View All Details. And now click on Publish. And now you will get ICS link here. So click on this ICS link and click on Copy Link. Once done, go to your Google Calendar and scroll down to the left hand side and you will get these other calendars options. You have to click on Create or Add Other Calendars and select From URL and enter here your Outlook Calendar ICS link. And if you want to make the calendar public, if you want to make the calendar publicly accessible, then have to check this option. And if you want to make the calendar private, then deselect this option. Then click on Add Calendar. And inside of this other calendar section, as you can see, my Outlook calendar has been successfully added. And it's time to customize this Outlook calendar. So click on the three dot icon and go to Settings. And now from here you can change your Outlook calendar name. And you can customize other settings from here. So that's how we can add Outlook calendar in Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.